Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal Kanur online TV channel. Kajan Guasame Barodan Palpin, Kalego Washington content over with Chaka South Sudan. We Mayardit Kanur online TV channel, Nagajan, or Gender Yanwakanasin Cocktail. For daily update, they can from Mala to Washington Gore content or Deco. Gore and Ojin notification bell with the one. Kapu subscribe, Kapu Charu Kujukun Pink or Kokamishi, Laramishi Jelly. Nwaka Kaniki Kokian. Ani biakamal banawre ilerkam dana bukoni kajan guasame. Name breaking news rewatcha ka South Sudan and wala shanka waro kapay diokron kina dangro jandangro dungwan banamadan le rode banje chulin kel. Gadu lam chaje yere wish ka juba kuma kirma yadit ka kwire ka me shitogre wecha ka Nasser. Gadu lam MP michung ka Queen Nasser jen South Sudanese opposition lawmaker kes pele mayo. Yan ka je ka shankaro kachang thɛr kajok keta kachang ka warau ka fai diogron kina dangro jandangro de diech cha yen e national security dore ka tongpin chala do cha je yen ka blue house jen gwas ala kir na wiaching ejectin pogbos ba long ramala leria lat kamuktab Dr. Riek Machar che laden wo cha je yen dungdo telemisha lat long ka kwide ngay kondi almandana le rode re wecha ka South Sudan ke jen guasmen go tirik tungwan tiketen ano ko ngay kondi al konalat ko rudina tema ke jen ta ka me re wecha ka South Sudan go re jen go bine di albidian petichunka chala do nena ke shanka wal jok ka jen pay jok bebene irun chala do bawuden la general Asia nek re wecha ka South Sudan ba jo koñ re wech ka juba men kule la ro jene Larke je guano en rami mo menge jeno general Nuer dati cheng ko chade jal ko run kwich konto kono brodian lat. Ando badana yan ke wude me mila kwer ngoni me ke len ngoni re wich ka South Sudan ko jen aran espele mayo awa yan ke je ka kwire ga manchituok re wich ka Nasser. Bana lunjok ko gwas metod bana mandan le roda bana jeling gorono jin bijen waka Nasser ko ken en gwada bebene beje kwen ye ka togun lish ka do badana cha kwen ka ja. A prominent South Sudanese opposition lawmaker, puoch, was arrested in the capital Juba on Tuesday afternoon, according to the multiple sources. Mr. Gatwec, a senior member of the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, represents Nasser County in Parliament. He was taken into custody by National Security Service from his residence in Tongping neighborhood and is being held at the Blue House, a notorious NSS National Security Detention Center. Source confirmed this morning in South Sudan. The MP was taken from his residence in Tongping and is being held at the Blue House, the National Security Detention Center, one of the sources said. Pogbot Balwang, the press secretary for First Vice President Riek Machar, confirmed the arrest but declined to provide further details. Mr. Gatwec is a key figure within the SPLMIO, the political party led by Mr. Dr. Machar, who served as the country's first vice president under 2018 power-sharing agreement. The arrest comes amid growing political friction between forces loyal to President Salva Kiir and those aligned with Mr. Machar. Last week, clash in Nasser, Upper Nile State, left several people dead, including a commander from the South Sudan People Defense Forces. The violence has prompted a crackdown by President Kiir administration on allies of Mr. Machar, including the detention of the petroleum minister and several seniors of military officials. Mr. Gatwec's arrest appeared to be linked to his recent political activities. On February 20th, he was among a group of lawmakers from Nasser and Ulang counties who called for suspension of SSPDF deployment to Nasser. The lawmaker urged that local communities should be consulted before military forces are sent to their areas. The development have raised fear about the stability of the 2018 peace agreement, which ended 5-year civil war. The agreement established a unity government and outlined a path to election, but progress has been slow. In separate development, additional security forces have been deployed around the residence of First Vice President Riek Machar, according to multiple sources. Approximately 42 national security personnel were stationed around the compound this morning, though the reason for the development remained unclear. Same source suggests the move was linked to the burial of Major Dak, the general of SSPDF commander that was killed in recent clash in Nasser. However, no official explanation has been provided.